Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, www.lockdownsecurity.ca, and today I'm bringing you a video on this 2015 Lexus CT200h hybrid. We did a couple of cool things to it. We have improved the safety of this vehicle, even though it's a pretty safe vehicle on its own. So let me show you at the back. We did an Auto-Eye OEM D4000 parking sensor kit. Ordered the sensors in silver, so you're going to see there's 4 sensors along the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we did a Crux CRX51 rear view camera. The CRX51 is kind of cool. It comes with multiple different brackets, so no matter what vehicle you put it in, you can tailor it so it looks really good. And then last but not least, the cool part is going to be where we mounted the screens. So the kits have 2 screens. One is going to be this half moon display right there. That's for the parking sensor kit. And then I'm going to show you where we put the LCD screen. So you're going to see basic radio, basic dash. I'm just going to turn the vehicle on because it's a hybrid. As long as it says ready, it's on. I'm going to pop it in reverse. And that essentially turns the parking sensor kit screen on. And if I do this, there's our backup camera screen. So it's pretty cool. This particular vehicle had this storage pocket up at the top, and the iBeam TE50VS 5-inch LCD screen fits perfectly in this cover. So if I put it into park, it turns the screen off, and if I put it into reverse, you automatically see the screen. Now, where I'm holding the phone or the camera, it looks like it's blocking the view of the parking sensor kit, but actually it's not, because when you're sitting up, you can totally see both screens. So it's the best of both worlds. You get the distance display from the sensors, and then you get the camera display on the 5-inch screen right there. And if the client so chooses, I can literally close it. Now, you may have noticed, some of the viewers may have noticed I had to push the button to close it. That's not, and I repeat, not because of the 5-inch screen. The car came in with that. I guess just due to age, this latch is starting to wear out. There's one of my coworkers in the back doing a dance. I think that's my installer, Sal. And yeah, perfectly integrated, looks really good, and is almost factory from Lexus. So if you or someone you know is interested in adding a backup camera or a parking sensor kit to your vehicle, or to your Lexus CT200 for that matter, feel free to reach out to us. 1-866-824-4118. sales@lockdownsecurity.ca is our email. www.lockdownsecurity.ca is our website. This is the iBeam 5-inch screen. That's the Auto-Eye OEM D4000 parking sensor kit, as you saw in the back. And we look forward to making more videos like this for everybody in the future. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as like this video. Both of those go a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. I'll give you one more view here of our fantastic LCD screen. There we go. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great weekend.